Truckers, are you tired of empty miles and low-paying loads? In this video, we'll share 5 proven ways to keep your truck loaded and boost your earnings in 2025. A professional dispatcher keeps your wheels turning by finding loads quickly and negotiating better rates. Keep Loading specializes in maximizing your truck's earnings. Don't rely on one source. Use DAT, Truckstop, and other load boards to find better paying freight and reduce downtime. Multiple load boards, more options. Plan your routes to avoid deadhead miles. Focus on regions with strong freight demand, like the Midwest and Southeast. Mix up your freight. Consider partial loads, box trucks, or reefer opportunities to stay flexible and profitable. Long-term contracts with direct shippers can keep you loaded year-round and reduce reliance on the spot market. To keep your truck loaded in 2025, work with a dispatcher. Use multiple load boards. Optimize routes. Diversify loads and build shipper relationships. If this video find helpful, please like and share. At Keep Loadings, we help truckers like you avoid empty miles and earn more per mile. Contact us today and stay loaded.